What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Chef Pigster from the Garden of Banban 3. Let's begin today's lesson at the very top of our page. Draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'm going to line up the top of that circle. Now you want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside. Let's start from the inside of the left eye, draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and then in, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top of each pupil, and we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, and we want to go around that highlight. Now we're going to leave a gap underneath the eyes and draw in the large snout. Let's start over on the left, just underneath the left eye, curve this up in the middle, and then bend that down towards the right. Now you want to round out the outside of the snout, coming around on the left and back in. Let's close off the bottom of the snout with a curve, going down and then back up. Let's add a fold along the outside of the eyes, starting on the bottom, going down and in. And then inside the snout, we're going to draw two large circles for the nostrils. Let's start on the top left. Just going to leave a gap all the way around, and back up. And then again, just drawing that same size circle on the right. And now we want to draw the outside of the head. Let's start over on the left side, curve this up above the eyes, and round this out, come across, and then back down on the right side. Let's add the ears on top of the head, starting over on the left, then this up and out. Now I want to round out the ears, come down, and then in on top of the head. Let's trace the ears along the side, leaving an even space gap all the way around towards the head. Now I'm going to move down and draw two slightly larger eyes along the bottom. Let's leave a gap in the center, start on the top left, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between and draw the same size circle on the right. So line up the top of that circle, bring that in, come down toward the same height, and then back up. Now with the bottom set of eyes, we're going to place the pupil right in the middle. Let's start on the left, drawing a smaller circle right in the center. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each eye. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black, again going around that highlight. Let's add that large mouth underneath. We'll start over on the left side, bend this down in the middle, and pull that back up towards the right. Now I'm going to round out the corners of the mouth, bend this around and then down. And we'll close off the bottom of the mouth with a curve, starting back on the left, and down and in towards the middle, go all the way across, and then bring that up towards the right. Let's add another fold along the outside of the eyes. Down and in. Now I want to add the top row of teeth. I'm going to start right in the middle, start with the left side. I'm going to come down and then up with a half oval, add a slightly smaller one on the outside. Let's go back to the center, draw a smaller tooth on the right, and then go a little bit larger on the end. Now I'm going to add 5 teeth along the bottom. Let's start with one in the middle. We're going to go up and then down. Let's go over toward the left, add another tooth, going up and down. And then we'll add one more. Let's add 2 teeth over on the right, going up and down. I'm just going to close this off with one smaller tooth. Now inside the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the back of the throat. Let's start on the top left, bend this down, go across just up above the bottom row of teeth, bend this out, and then back up. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the back side of the mouth in black. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the body. Let's start on the outside on the left. Just going to bend this down and then out. Let's go over towards the right, going the opposite direction. Now I want to round out the cheeks, going around the mouth, come down. And I just want to bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Out, down, and then in. Now I want to leave a gap for the legs on either side. Start back over on the left, curve this down, and then up. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body. Leaving a gap in the center, start over on the left, bend this down and out, go to the right, and do the same thing. It's going to round out the bottom of the feet, and down and out towards the side. Then we're going to add a fold in between the toes, and go up and in. Now from this point, let's step up, bend the foot going out and up. Now let's pull the leg going up and in underneath the body, just leaving a little overlap on the inside. Let's go back up to the side of the head and draw on the arms. From the bottom of the head, we're going to step up, bend the arm going out, and then bring that down. Let's line this up over on the right, going out, and then down. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side. Start over on the left, bend this out, and pull that up. Let's add another finger, and down and up. And then the inside finger, we're just going to come down and just tuck that in toward the side of the body. Let's add 1 small fold along the armpit. From this line, we'll step down, and this out and up. And then we'll sign our artwork and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Chef Pigster from the Garden of Banban 3. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.